Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Saksham Patel.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Mahendra Patel.
Okay, where do you live?
I live in Bilkhedi.
Okay, where is Bhilkhedi?
Bilkhedi is nearby Sarai village.
Okay, how far is Bhilkhedi from Khandwa?
Bilkhedi is 40 km far from here.
So,
Khandwa.
Bhilkhedi is a village or a city?
Bilkhedi is a village.
It is a village.
Village.
So, it is it a small village or a big?
It is a small village.
It's
A small
a
village.
small village. Okay, so what is the population of your village?
Sir,
You don't know.
No, sir.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, so do you study?
Yes, I study.
In which class do you study?
I study in 11th class.
Okay, which one is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Mathematics. Why do you like mathematics?
Mathematics is easy according to me.
According to you, it's easy. Okay, so what do you want to become?
I want to become an engineer.
I want to become an engineer. Okay, so after 12th class, where will you go to do the preparation?
I will go to Indore
To do
to
preparation.
do preparation.
Okay, that's very nice. Now I'm going to ask some kind of the questions and sentences also, so you have to answer them.
Yes.
Okay. बॉटल पिंक है.
Bottle is pink.
द बॉटल इज पिंक.
Pink.
बॉटल पिंक थी.
The bottle was pink.
बॉटल पिंक होगी.
The bottle will be pink.
द बॉटल विल बी
Pink.
पिंक. ठीक है. और आज सैटरडे है.
It is Saturday today.
इट इज सैटरडे टुडे.
Today.
ठीक है. कल फ्राइडे था.
It was Friday yesterday.
यस्टरडे. ठीक है. आज मैंने बोला कल संडे होगा.
It will be Sunday
टुमारो.
tomorrow.
ठीक है. मेरी स्कूल बंद है आज.
My school is closed today.
माई स्कूल इज क्लोज्ड टुडे.
Today.
मेरी स्कूल बंद थी कल.
My school was closed yesterday.
ओके, मेरी स्कूल बंद रहेगी कल.
My school will be closed tomorrow.
ओके, आपका ध्यान यहाँ नहीं है.
Your mind is
Is
not here.
आपका ध्यान यहाँ नहीं था.
Your mind was not here.
आपका ध्यान यहाँ नहीं होगा.
Your mind will not be here.
आपका ध्यान कहाँ है?
Where is your mind?
आपका ध्यान कहाँ था?
Where was your mind?
आपका ध्यान कहाँ होगा?
Where will your mind be?
वह रो रही है.
She is crying.
वह रो रही थी.
She was crying.
वह रो रही होगी.
She will be crying.
वह बोल नहीं पा रही हैं.
She can't speaking.
She can't speak. वह बोल नहीं पा रही थी.
She could not speak.
She could not speak या फिर she was not able to speak. Okay. क्या आपने मेरे भाई को देखा?
Are you what?
Did you?
Did you see my
Did you
brother?
see my brother? आपने मेरे भाई को कहाँ देखा?
Where did you see my brother?
ठीक है. क्या आपने मेरा फोन टच किया?
Do you touch my mobile?
Did you?
Did you touch my mobile?
आपने मेरे फोन को टच क्यों किया?
Why did you touch my mobile?
क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हो?
Can you help me?
कैन यू हेल्प मी? आप मेरी मदद कैसे कर सकते हो?
How can help me?
हाउ कैन यू हेल्प
How can
मी?
help you?
ठीक है. क्या वह स्कूल जा रही हैं?
Is she school?
Is she going to school? वह स्कूल क्यों जा रही हैं?
Why is she going to school?
वह स्कूल किसके साथ जा रही है?
With whom is she going to school?
विद whom is she going to school?
School.
कौन बाहर बैठा हुआ है?
Who is sitting outside?
वो सिटिंग आउटसाइड. उसे अंदर बुला लो.
Uh,
कॉल हिम इनसाइड.
him inside.
कॉल हिम
Inside.
इनसाइड. वह बाहर क्यों खड़ा हुआ है?
why is she standing?
Why is he standing
outside?
outside? वह हंस रहा है.
She is laughing.
वह हंस रहा है.
He is laughing.
He is laughing. वह क्यों हंस रहा है?
Why he is laughing?
वह हंसने का आदी है.
Uh,
He is in the habit of
he is in the habit of
laughing. He is in the habit of
Laughing.
laughing. मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ.
I would like to speak.
I would like to speak and you can say I want to speak. मैं बोलना चाहता था.
I want to speak.
I wanted to speak.
I wanted to
मैं बोलना चाहूँगा.
I would like to speak.
I would like to speak. वह डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हैं.
She is become a doctor.
नहीं, she wants to become
She
a
wants
doctor.
to become a
वो डॉक्टर बनना चाहती थी.
She wanted to become
She
a doctor.
wanted to become a doctor. वह डॉक्टर बनना चाहेगी.
She would like to become a doctor.
She would like to become a
Doctor.
doctor. ठीक है. मैं आपका इंतजार करूंगा.
I will wait for you.
I will wait for you. मैं आपका इंतजार नहीं करूंगा.
I will not wait for you.
I will not wait for
You.
you. Okay. वह बैठी हुई हैं.
She is sitting.
She is sitting. मैं नहीं आऊंगा क्योंकि मेरे पास समय नहीं है.
I will not come because I have no time.
I will not come because I do not have time. ठीक है. मैं क्लास में हूँ इसलिए मैं आपका फोन नहीं उठा सकता हूँ.
I am in the class. That's why I am not attend your call.
I am unable to attend your call.
Call.
Okay. वह बाहर बैठा हुआ है और आपका इंतजार कर रहा है.
He is sitting outside
And waiting for you. Okay. सर ने कल टेंस पढ़ाया.
Sir taught tense
Yesterday. Sir taught tense yesterday. Okay. मैंने टेंस सीख लिए.
I learned tense.
I learned tenses. Okay.
Tenses.
उसने मेरे चार्जर का यूज किया.
He used my charger.
He used my charger. उसने मेरे चार्जर का यूज क्यों किया?
Why he used my
Why did
charger?
he?
Why did he used my charger?
ओके, आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you?
ओके, आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
Where are you going? आपके पापा क्या करते हैं?
What's your father doing?
What does your father do?
What does your father do?
What does your father do? आपके पापा ने आपको कल क्यों डांटा?
Why your father?
did-
Why did your father scold you yesterday?
Why did your father scold you?
Yesterday.
ओके, मैं सुन रहा हूँ.
I am listening.
मैं सुन रहा था.
I was listening.
मैं सुन रहा हूँगा.
I will be listening.
मैं मेरा होमवर्क कर चुका हूँ.
I have to done my
I
homework.
have done my homework. मैंने मेरा होमवर्क कर लिया था.
I had done my homework.
मैंने मेरा होमवर्क कर लिया होगा.
I will have done my
I
homework.
will have done my homework. ठीक है, वह यहाँ नहीं आ सकती है.
She could not
She
come.
cannot come
She
here.
cannot come here.
मैं कल मीटिंग अटेंड नहीं कर सका या पाया.
I could not attend meeting yesterday.
Yesterday. आपको झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
You should not tell a lie.
You should not tell a lie. हमें वहाँ अवश्य जाना चाहिए क्योंकि वह समस्या में है.
We might go
We
there.
must go there
We must go there because
क्योंकि वह समस्या में है.
he is in the problem.
Because he is in problem. मेरा दोस्त मुझे बुला रहा है
My friend is call me,
पर मैं जा नहीं सकता हूँ
but I cannot go
क्योंकि मेरे पास समय नहीं है.
because do not have time.
जब भी मैं फ्री होता हूँ,
Whenever I free,
whenever I am free,
I am free.
ठीक है, मैं जाऊँगा.
I will go.
I will go. जैसे ही सर आते हैं,
As soon as sir comes,
वह पढ़ाते हैं.
he will teach.
वह पढ़ाते हैं.
He teaches.
It teaches. Very good. इंग्लिश एक आसान भाषा है.
English is easy
आप इसे
language.
सीख सकते हैं.
You can learn this.
You can learn it.
It.
ओके, हमें किताबें पढ़नी चाहिए.
We should to learn a book.
हमें किताबें पढ़नी चाहिए. We should learn book या फिर we should read books.
Book.
ये हमारा जीवन बदल सकती है.
It is change.
They can change our life.
They can change our life.
They can change our life. They can change our life.
Life.
आपका बैग कहाँ है?
Where is your bag?
आपका बैग कहाँ था?
Where was your bag?
आपका बैग कहाँ होगा?
Where will your bag be?
Where will your bag be? Very good. Now let's begin.